So-called leaders prostituted us to the West, destroyed our culture, our economies, our honor.
U.S. Marines stationed on high alert were given the order to invade the small.
Hey guys, COVID-19 video games, July 6th, 2020, Call of Duty 4 on PlayStation 3. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Welcome and hello from India. I've been uploading a lot of random videos which I've been playing myself. I have this old remote. Somehow broke my joystick also. And there are no new remotes available, sadly, on Amazon. Okay, so Call of Duty 4 is one of my favorite games. I've been watching a lot of YouTube channels these days, specifically the big channels who have been playing on Xbox One. Call of Duty, I don't know, Modern Warfare. I've even seen a lot of clips of remastered, Modern Warfare remastered. But you know, frankly, I feel the Call of Duty 4 on PlayStation 3, it should come back, you know. It's a lot to ask, but I don't know, PS4 can obviously get it done. Xbox can get it done. Microsoft, I don't know, whatever, Infinity Ward or Activision or whoever is putting so much money into games really needs to look back from where they started. Like, if for example I have to tell you, not to waste your time, I don't know if somebody's even listening to this because it's quarantine, but you know, back in 2007-8 when the PlayStation 3 had Pain, okay, Here Comes the Pain, WWE, fuck, that was like a life changer. Undertaker on his bike, Brock Lesnar, things were so good, you know, like those matches, the Skaze matches, even PlayStation 2. I'm sorry, I'm actually talking about PlayStation 2, I think so, yeah. 2007 PlayStation 2 was like kick-ass. Here Comes the Pain. Then PlayStation 3 somehow fucked it up. Same like FIFA. The old FIFA 2007 was like kick-ass. Okay, itna maza aata tha usme. Like it was so much fun to play. Then I don't know, this new FIFA 15, FIFA 14, FIFA 20, so much money started coming in that they just didn't know what to do. And the game started sucking, you know. If you still play on PlayStation 2 and 3 many games comparing to PlayStation 4, they work in 1080, 720, 480, blah blah blah, you know. It's just numbers. It's nothing real. It's not something that, you know, is going to make sense. After all, people want to play. They want a good time, they want a good moment, you know, that they can share, they can record. So somehow my point of saying is just one thing, that if PlayStation 3 Lite 2020 can come back with all the old PlayStation 3 games which people have collected as physical copies and PlayStation 2 games that people have collected as physical copies, it'll be so fucking cool, right? Having those shit. Even PlayStation 2 can work in the PlayStation 3 Lite. Fuck Xbox, okay? I don't like Xbox personally. I don't trust Microsoft because they failed. They failed largely. Sony Ericsson fucked them up completely, Motorola. But they could not even get the gaming right. Today also in India, it's for about, I don't know, 40,000 bucks, Xbox One. And nobody's buying it because henceforth nobody uses Microsoft anymore. It's not about Apple or Microsoft or some Windows or some shit like that. It's about something that works. Now, Free for All and Team Deathmatch, these 2 rounds are one of the best matches that somebody can ever play. Okay, let's try it. And you know, you get hackers also. So you gotta be careful. And there's some glitch in my PlayStation. COD4 is like, you know, I just cannot connect to Vacant. If the round Vacant comes up, you'll never ever see a video on my channel about Vacant. It does not even work in mine. My entire PlayStation freezes, it goes to sleep. It's some kind of hack. Yeah, and for speaking this, whenever you play Block, how much I've learned by playing with Mike Gazer or Zexelia or Decode, these big names, you know, I've been seeing around 2020 COVID, they use silence. And if you don't use a silencer, the round is going to screw up. So it's afternoon, I think so. Nobody's playing in America or South America or China, or I don't know if China even gets a chance to play, as they've been playing with everybody's lives. I just had some lemonade. I love Crash, man. Crash is one of my favorite rounds. Not getting into a server. So as I was saying, PlayStation 2 Lite 2020 should come out. It really makes a lot of sense. Try domination. No one. And no doubt PS4 and Xbox One team deathmatch are anytime better than these. But then those purple, green, yellow, brown, I don't know what kind of weird weapons they want to keep on inventing. All those alien space guns and everything. Yeah, people don't need that shit, you know. The American film industry, okay, wow, let's go. The American film industry has been completely using this alien wala concept since a very long time, shown us so many movies on zombies and aliens. Nothing happened. Guess what? COVID-19 came in. And you know, there were very few movies on COVID-19, about 5. So let's play. I'm gonna take AK-47U. My weapons. MP5 is good. And as I told you, there's something wrong with my mouse. I mean my, oh my god, enemy. Right. My joystick is fucked up. I don't have a new joystick. These guys can just snipe, you know. They love to snipe. My match might not be good. I have a very bad controller. And I cannot move my thing so well. I mean, I cannot look so well. Just have to play on, I don't know, judgment. I knew that guy was coming. Look at this guy go, man. They just fucked it up, man. My remote is spoiled, my keyboard, my controller. I cannot play well. I don't think so I'll be uploading this video. Just been attacking. Just been attacking. Ah, look at this guy. Fuck, man. I got him. I got the chopper. I got two. Two assholes have been troubling. Yes, I got him. I got them because of the sun. Obviously, my remote is spoiled. Died 14 times. Fisher and ZX, I know ZYSWX. Obviously gonna get 200 plus. Got a bad remote. I got people who just don't know to play in my team. Anyways, so it was a long conversation. This was some introduction that I had to give about Call of Duty 4, about PlayStation 2, about PlayStation 3, about how things used to work better. Today's punk ass kids don't know shit. Okay, I'm like almost 28, born in 91. Today's kids don't know shit. Okay, they're 15 years old and they have an iPhone 10, dude. When we were 15 and we were shit like that, we had cycles, bro, and bicycles. We used to go around the mountains, to the dams, to the rivers. So these games are gold, man. We cannot get them go. And I'm kind of glad that in quarantine there are at least bunch of people who are noobs or are new owners to this. They know to play.